Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just click on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to your settings here. So then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you keep going down, you click here on Siri and search. You just click on it, you come to next step here, you come here to press side button for Siri, clicking this sign, like then you click here on enable Siri. Like you see, it's enabled with us now. Here can you select language and Siri voice or Siri responses and announce calls and your information. Done Siri detection here history will find it and automatically send a messages that, like you see, it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.